Top 10 Facts about Earth. Earth is the lovely planet that we all love and live in. Here are 10 facts that you may or may have not know about it. 1. Earth is on the move. You may feel like you're standing still, but you're actually moving fast. Depending on where you are on the globe, you could be spinning through space at just over 1,000 miles per hour. People on the equator move the fastest, while someone standing on the North or South Pole would be perfectly still. 2. Earth is radioactive. In total, Earth generates as much as 40 terawatts of heat, half of which comes from radioactive decay in its core, according to a 2011 study. Scientists measured particles called antineutrinos that streamed up from Earth's core and found that half of Earth's heat is generated through the radioactive decay of certain elements. 3. We don't know who named the Earth. Unlike other planets, no real historical data can be found on the person, or group, that named the planet Earth. The term Earth comes from Old English and High Germanic and is the only planet not named after a Greek or Roman god. 4. We're the third rock from the Sun. Our home, Earth, is the third planet from the Sun and the only world known to support an atmosphere with free oxygen, oceans of liquid water on the surface and, the big one, life. Earth is one of the 4 terrestrial planets, like Mercury, Venus and Mars. It is rocky at the surface. 5. Earth is a squashed sphere. Earth is not a perfect sphere. As Earth spins, gravity points toward the center of our planet, assuming for explanation's sake that Earth is a perfect sphere, and a centrifugal force pushes outward. But since this gravity-opposing force acts perpendicular to the axis of Earth, and Earth's axis is tilted, centrifugal force at the equator is not exactly opposed to gravity. This imbalance adds up at the equator, where gravity pushes extra masses of water and Earth into a bulge, or spare tire around our planet. 6. The Earth recycles itself. Did you know that Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has plate tectonics? The outer crust of the Earth has multiple regions called tectonic plates. Beneath that is a magma interior which causes the plates to move, occasionally crashing into one another as they collide and pull apart. Magma bubbles up and creates fresh crust to form. This important process creates earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, mountain formation, and ocean trenches, but also is part of the carbon cycle, in which microscopic organisms and plants die, fall to the bottom of the ocean where they are absorbed, and over long periods of time, the remnants of this life, rich in carbon, are carried back into the interior of the Earth and recycled. This pulls carbon out of the atmosphere, which makes sure we don't suffer a runaway greenhouse effect, which is what happened on Venus. Without the action of plate tectonics, there would be no way to recycle this carbon, and the Earth would become an overheated. 7. Earth has a very powerful magnetic field. This field protects the planet from the effects of solar winds and is believed to be a result of the nickel-iron core of the planet combined with its rapid rotation. 8. The first life on Earth developed in the oceans. The first life on Earth developed in the oceans through a process called abiogenesis or biobiosis. This is a natural process in which life grows from non-living matter like simple organic compounds. 9. Earth is mostly iron, oxygen and silicon. If you could separate the Earth out into piles of material, you'd get 32.1% iron, 30.1% oxygen, 15.1% silicon, and 13.9% magnesium. Of course, most of this iron is actually down at the core of the Earth. If you could actually get down and sample the core, it would be 88% iron. 47% of the Earth's crust consists of oxygen. 10. Earth is the only planet known to have life. We've discovered past evidence of water and organic molecules on Mars, and the building blocks of life on Saturn's moon Titan. We can see amino acids in nebulae in deep space. And scientists have speculated about the possible existence of life beneath the icy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Titan. But Earth is the only place life has actually been discovered. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe and comment.